So I have here all of Colorette's Jelly Kiss Juicy Lip Stain, and if you guys are planning to buy this, sobrang dami kasing shades, and lahat, to be honest, magaganda and wearable, so i-share ko yung aking mga favorites. Actually, dalawa lang naman yung shade na i-share ko, and hopefully magustuhan nyo rin. Ito yung aking first Draco. This one is called Juju, and just look at that shade. It is so nice. Applicator of this is also great, by the way. Sobrang precise. This color, oh my god. Look at that. This is such a nice rosy MLBB shade. Look at that shade. And in all fairness, maganda yung formula niya. It's hydrating, nag-iiwan siya ng stain. Transfer resistant yung stain niya, which is great. And yung finish, diba, jelly-like talaga. And once you press your lips, wala siyang string, hindi siya gloopy. Sobrang comfortable. Again, Juju. Next shade is this one. And tingnan nyo guys, how stunning this is. Ang perfect. This one is called Pebble. And yung shade description for this is Toasty Tan. I love this so much. This is my top shade for sure. So good. And take note, one dip lang to guys ha. But entire lip, na-cover niya na. Ang ganda nito. Again, this one is Pebble. Sobrang dami nag-hype dito sa product na to. And I must say, worth the hype talaga kasi maganda yung formula niya. You will enjoy this, especially if you have dry lips.